Want to turn your Windows 11 into true glass masterpiece? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to completely transform your desktop into a premium elegant setup that looks modern, clean and visually stunning, and this is exactly what your Windows 11 25 H2 look like after end of this video. So let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to head over to this website and download this tool called Windhawk. Click on download, and after downloaded you have to install it, and after installation you'll see an interface like this. And one more thing, this customization doesn't consume too much RAM or other resources as well. I'll show you how much RAM and resources use this customization, and then click on browse for mods. First of all, we're going to install Windows 11 Explorer Styler. Click on details and install it. Then click on settings. For the theme section, select liquid glass and click on save. And now I'm going to install Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on details and install it. And then you have to download this folder. I'll put the link in the description box. And copy this Taskbar script. Then click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. And then install Taskbar height and icon size. Click on details, install it. Copy Taskbar height and icon size script. Click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. And now install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on details, install it. Open Start Menu Styler and copy this entire script. Then open Windhawk and click on Advanced, paste it here. Click on Save. Now I'm going to customize Notification Center. For the Notification Center style, you have to install Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Click on Explorer. And install Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Click on Details, install it. Click on Settings. And for the theme section, select Translucent Shell. Then click on Save. Now I'm going to install the icon pack. For the icon pack, first you have to install Resources Redirect. Click on Details, install it. Here is two icon pack available. I'll install both of them and show you which one looks better, so you can choose your favorite one. First you have to copy these two icon pack and then go to C drive, paste it here. Okay. First, I'm going to install class icon pack. Click on copy as path and paste it here and remove this quotation mark. Then click on save. Okay, as you can see, some icon has changed and some icon has not changed yet. To fix this, open Task Manager and search for Explorer. Right click on it and click on Restart. Go to this folder and double click on Disable Folder Thumbnail Preview. Click on Run. Okay, now I'm going to install another icon pack. First, right click on this icon pack and click on copy as path. Then open Windhawk. Click on details, click on settings and paste it here. And remove this quotation mark and then click on save. And then open Task Manager, right click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart. And to fix this folder, right click on this and click on Run as Administrator and then click on Run. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how to add the blur effect. You can use this tool called Blur Mica, or you can use translucent. So I prefer use Blur Mica. Click on Explore. First I'm going to install translucent windows. Click on details and install it. Okay, if you face any kind of problem while using translucent windows, you can remove it and use Blur Mica. I'll show you how to install Blur Mica. First, remove this translucent windows, click on remove and click on remove modes. So it will remove the blur effect. And now I'm going to show you that how to install Blur Mica. First, unzip this file and then cut this folder and paste it into C drive. Then open this. First open config file and show line true to false. And make it around 80. Click on file and save. Then right click on this register button and click on run as administrator. Then click on yes and click on OK. Okay, if you see a pop-up like this, just click on yes. So you can try this Blur Mica, or you can use translucent windows as well. Okay, then open Windhawk again and then click on Explore. And then go to this folder and open extras text and search for, click on details and install it. And then search for File Explorer WinUI like Content Animation and install it. And now I'm going to show that how much RAM or resources use this customization. Just right click on it and click on Taskbar. And for the Windhawk, so as you can see, it doesn't consume much RAM or other resources. And if you want to remove this stuff, just go to control panel and uninstall Windhawk and it will remove rest of the stuff. And this is it. This is how we can completely transform your Windows 11 into a class masterpiece. So I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.